Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Magnetic Helping Hands Soldering Tool, featuring a large blue steel base and 4 flexible metal arms with adjustable alligator clips. This tool is perfect for electronic repair, soldering, art crafts, and hobby projects, thanks to its super stable heavy-duty base that prevents tilting during use. The blue rectangular steel base measures 9.65 by 11.80 inches, providing a spacious work area with 4 anti-slip rubber pads for extra stability. Each gooseneck arm extends up to 12.20 inches and bends easily for precise positioning, giving you maximum support and freeing your hands. Whether you're welding, assembling, fixing circuit boards, or working on jewelry and crafts, this third-hand tool makes your work easier and more efficient. Designed especially for anyone needing close, continuous work or maintenance help, it's a must-have for studios and workshops. With this tool, you'll enjoy better control and accuracy in all your detailed projects. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.